Hi everyone, it's Nick here from SOAP Vault. Today I'm going to demonstrate the many ways that you can use our multi-tagger. The very first thing you need to do is select a diagram. So we're going to hover over the thumbnails and I'm going to select the back. And I'm going to show you how you can put a single tag on a single location. So we'll pick this area here. And we have a suggested location of right infraspinatus, and that is the muscle that I did work on, and I did perform trigger point therapy. And we have a suggested comment of 15 minutes. That would have been a comment I would have previously used. And in this case, I'm not going to use the 15 minutes, and I'm not going to put a comment in, and I'm just going to save and close. So now I put a single tag, and if I hover over it, you can see that trigger point therapy right infraspinatus. So I put a single tag on a single location, and I could edit that tag. So if I want to come back and if I want to say, oh, I did want to put a comment in, I can click comment, and I can put pain in there if I want to put that as my comment, and I click save. And so now pain has been added as a comment. Now I'm going to show you how you can put multiple tags in multiple locations. So first thing you're going to do is hold down the shift key, and I'm going to click the areas that I've either treated or assessed. And now I have this diagram that comes up, and this is the first location that I clicked, and this is the location that we're working on. So it's suggesting right latissimus dorsi for a location, and it's actually the low back that I worked on. And I noticed that there was some hypertonicity. And instead of saving and going to the next position, I'm going to save and keep tagging. So I'm going to stay on this location. So I'm still on this location, and I'm going to add more tags. I noticed at the suggested locations that I don't see the area that I worked on, so I'm going to click off that, and I'm going to add my own area, and I'm going to put an iliac crest. And iliac crest does come up, and so I'm going to select iliac crest. And again, the tags I don't see what type of work I did on the iliac crest, and I did some friction therapy, so I'm going to select friction therapy. And I don't have a comment at this point, so I'm just going to save and keep tagging. I'm going to add one more tag to this area, and it was the left spinal erectors. I did muscle stripping, and the person reported pain with that. And now instead of save and keep tagging, I'm going to go save in next position. So now I'm going to move to the next position. And if you notice that the position number 1 has been checked off, so I'm complete with position number 1. So in position number 2, again, it's suggesting areas, and I'm going to pick the right spinal erectors this time. And I did some muscle strip into the right spinal erectors. And again, I don't have any comments, and I only did one technique to that area. And so now I'm going to go save in next position. So I'm going to go to my last position. And again, it's suggesting the left infraspinatus, and it was actually the top of the shoulder. And the person was complaining of pain at the top of the shoulder. And I'm going to put a comment in here. It was radiating. And I'm going to save and keep tagging. And I also worked on the left rhomboid. And I did trigger point therapy to the left rhomboid. There was pain with that. And I'm done my treatment. I didn't assess the area, and I'm just going to simply click save and close. So I've added all the tags to the areas, and so if we hover over, so the solid color tags have a single tag on that location, and the ones that have multicolor tags will have multiple tags in that location. And when you hover over, again, you can see the tags that are suggested and listed for that area. That's it for today. And again, thank you for using SOAP Vault.